Needs a mom who has to learn life skills, and how do you do that without a mom?
Exactly. Well, this baby great horned owl was actually found orphaned in Prince George, and Bannister Trucking was nice enough to send him down to us very quickly, her I should say. And so she does. She needs a mom. She needs to learn the skills on how to be a wild, efficient great horned owl out in the wild.
And now we got to do a little bit of a, I guess, a weighing of this baby owl here.
Yep.
So we've got Colin, who is here with bird care, and speaking to the importance of obviously the work that you do here. While we're sort of getting the weighing happening, you need donations.
Yeah, we're basically after doing a bit of a count, we're basically going through about 200 mice a day. At the moment, we have 40 orphan babies in our care, and that's ranging from bald eagles to great horned owls to falcons and hawks. So, whoops, is she having a bit of trouble there? Okay, don't pull.
We won't pull. We want to make sure
Yeah.
you're comfortable. We want to introduce, obviously, this baby to the foster mom.
Yep.
Casper, by the way, has fostered, you figure, in and around 70 different birds.
Yeah, she's been with us since 1999. And after doing a bit of a quick count, she started fostering in 2001. Sorry,
So
sweetheart.
let's bring Casper in, because we want to make sure we see this gem. Come on in, Bruce, with Casper, because it points out the fact that even if you can't release a bird into the wild, they have a purpose.
Yeah.
There we go. First meeting by everybody.
Yeah, this is so sweet. So this is Casper. She came to us in 1999. She was likely caught in a leg hold trap, actually.